What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is the DroneMask. Now I've been flying this for a couple weeks now and I'm kind of liking it. Thanks to the folks over at DroneMask. They sent this out to me to test and do a review on it and give my honest opinion on it. And although they sent this unit out to me, I will give you both the pros and cons. So the mask comes packaged in a nice little cloth bag. And then it comes with a nice little thank you card and some instructions. You also get a cleaning wipe for your lens. So the goggles are well made. It's not plastic, it's more of a breathable cloth lining on it. So the lens is one single lens as opposed to the two lenses that you get in the normal VR goggles. It also has a nice foam strip around here, removable foam strip that you can probably take off and wash if you need to. It fits well around the face and also over glasses. This one thing I like about that, definitely a lot of these VR glasses don't fit well over the glasses, so that's one plus for it. However, if you do wear glasses, you might not even need to wear them because you can adjust the focal length. All you need to do is just use this knob here to unlock it on the bottom and then extend it if you need to, or bring it closer to your face if you need to. Now to get your phone in here, all you need to do is unzip the front portion of it and slide your phone in here in these expandable clips. It fits pretty much any phone. And the one thing that you need to do is get an extended data cable. So all you do is plug it in right here on the side and then just zip it up. And then plug it into your remote. It's starting to get cold out here, so I'm going to put my hat on real quick. Whew. So in a couple minutes I'm going to head out to another location. I'm going to meet up with a couple buddies and I'm going to fly this with the Mini 2. But one big thing about this is you can use this mask with any drone that uses a phone app to fly it. So if you have multiple drones, this would definitely be worth getting. So I'm about to head out to the other location and meet up with my buddies. They're going to help me out with something I wanted to try for a little while now. So make sure you stick around to the end and I'll tell you how you can win a pair of these. Thanks to the folks over at DroneMask, they provided me with an extra one to give away to my audience in appreciation for reaching 8,000 subscribers. Now I wanted to do it at 10,000, but the timing and everything wasn't right. So 8,000, and maybe at 10,000 we'll do another giveaway. So make sure you stick around. Okay, so let's go. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's my man Corey right here.
Everybody, how's it going?
Where's Donnell at?
He should be here in a little bit.
Here he come now. What up, what up, what up?
What's up, man? What's going on?
What I'm going to need you guys to do is help me out. I'm going to need a spotter, but I'm going to actually fly that over there, the tower. According to FAA regulations, Part 107 pilots can fly 400 feet above the structure.
Sounds good.
All right, let's do this. Try to fly through something real quick. Definitely can see a lot better
Yeah, those goggles seem very lightweight.
Yeah. It's definitely nice.
Are you able to fit glasses in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Fit right over my glasses. Alright, this is cool.
Yeah, that's a big deterrent of people buying the box goggle styles because they can't fit their glasses in. So that's a plus.
Yep. And actually, I don't even really have to use my glasses because this is adjustable.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm nearsighted. So all I need to do is bring it in a little bit closer, and I really don't need to use my glasses.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how close I can get to this. These lights here. Yeah, it does make it a little better when you're doing close quarter stuff, and you can,
Yeah.
like I said, you can see pretty much every detail. So I'm gonna go over here to the tower, and Corey, I just need you to monitor the airspace for me.
Yep.
And Donnell, you can probably, keep an eye on the drone too.
Yeah. Got it.
This is good for like if you want to do inspections or something like that.
Yeah.
Because I know when I'm flying with my phone, it's like I'm always getting a glare. This here protects it from the sun. So I'm pretty much, my crosshairs at the top of the tower, and I'm at 336. So if you guys do the math, 400 feet, put me at 736. So I'm gonna go straight up. Like I said, according to FAA regulations, 107 pilot, Part 107 pilot can fly 400 feet above the tallest structure, which I'm about to do. So I'll probably go up just to 700 feet, and I've never actually been this high. So I'm gonna go up to like I'm at 720 right now. I'm directly over the tower, and like I said, you have to be within 400 feet of the tower, or 400 feet of the structure, and then you can fly 400 feet above the structure.
Where is he with the
So
mask? With the what?
Nice.
How is he with the? Are you calculating it?
Oh, no. It's, pulling up the wind profile.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's a big difference up that
Yeah,
high.
but I'm not getting any wind warnings or anything.
Okay.
I'm good. This is nice. I've never been up this high. All right, so I'm going to start coming down.
All right.
Down over the tower, right?
Yeah, over the tower. Probably back out just a little bit. Now this would be even better if we were like in a city or something,
Yeah.
and over a building. But closest city here is DC, and you can't fly there. So. I got 27% left. I'm gonna put it in FPV mode real quick.
Mm-hmm.
I should have programmed it. Now I just put it in FPV mode, but you can program the function button to activate that. So it's a quicker way to do it, but I didn't have it programmed, so I was unprepared. This is not as smooth as the Air 2S. All right, so I only got like 22% left, so I'm going to come back.
Landing area is clear.
All right. All right, so thanks for making it this far. I do want to give a big thanks to Corey and Darnell for helping me out. I also want to give a shout out to Drone Syndrome, who also played a part in setting up this whole review. So overall, I do enjoy flying with the DroneMask. I will continue to fly with them, especially in FPV mode on my DJI Air 2S. It fits over my glasses, it fits tightly on the face, and there's no light leaking, through the foam here. So this is definitely good for those sunny days when your phone screen is constantly dimming because it's too bright out. So with this, you definitely see everything in detail. It's a clear image and definitely makes it easier for flying through tighter spaces or flying close to things. So one disadvantage I would just mention is that you have to unzip it to get to your phone screen. That's pretty much with any VR goggles. You don't have access to your phone screen, but one good thing, you can just unzip it and keep your goggles on to adjust your parameters. So if you do want to enter to win this pair of goggles, actually not this pair, but this pair, because I've been wearing these pair, you don't want this. But if you do want to enter and win, all you need to do is like this video, and then you should be a subscriber, and also comment in the comment section below which drone or drones you'll be using this mask with. I'll leave the giveaway open for about 7 days after the posting of this video, at which time I would do a live event to announce the winner. So that's it. I'm not going to make you jump through hoops just to win a pair of these. I'm just going to keep it simple. But if you want to try your chances at winning a pair of these, you can also purchase it. I will leave a link in the description below to where you can find it. Okay, so thanks for the love and support and helping this channel reach 8,000 subscribers, and hopefully 10,000 is just around the corner. And as always, if you want to watch more of my videos, it'll be right here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.